Let us cut to the chase and share with you how we keep fungus gnats at bay. Because fungus gnats feed on fungi growing on soil, it is essential we remove the primary source of their life cycle, fungus. Many of us who love gardening and grow houseplants have all dealt with the daunting problem of warding off pesky fungus gnats. Once the problem gets out of control, it can become a cumbersome task to resolve. In California, we grow some sensitive tropical plants indoors through the winter. Our goal is to provide a healthy environment for ourselves and our plants. This includes minimizing stressors in the environment, such as fungus gnats. All our houseplants are grown in a soilless mixture. It is a 1/3 mix of cocoa bark, cocoa coir, and perlite. We also top the soil with sulfur fungicide and diatomaceous earth. This special blend is not only a great compound for houseplants, it is also not a great host for fungus to grow on. Unlike organic rich soil, our balanced blend of cocoa fibers, perlite, and natural soil treatment minerals is lightweight, offers great drainage, provides healthy moisture retention, and keeps fungus gnats at bay. Problem solved! Get rid of fungus gnats naturally by potting your houseplants in our specially curated blend. Feel free to create your mix at home with these ingredients or shop our pre-packed blend. For your convenience, we offer this mix in a 1, 2, or 5-gallon pack. If you only have 1 or 2 houseplants, it may be more economical to get our pre-packed blends instead of buying all the ingredients. However, it is worth the investment if you have more than a few houseplants. Remember to fertilize regularly for best results. Suppress the gnats and spread the love by sharing this with our plant community. Get 15% off your first order using code NONATSHERE15. Hop on over to our blog to learn more about fungus gnats and learn how to identify their squiggly larvae growing in your soil.